In this video, I'll show you how to set up row-level security in Supabase. First, sign into your Supabase account and open the project where you want to secure your data. Then, click Table Editor and open the table you want to protect. Next, go to the Authentication or Policies section for that table and make sure Row Level Security, or RLS, is enabled. If it's not already on, click Enable RLS. After that, click New Policy to create a security policy. Choose a policy template, or create one from scratch. Then define who can select, insert, update, or delete rows based on your application's requirements. Now, save the policy and repeat the process if you need separate policies for different actions or different types of users. Review each policy carefully to make sure it grants only the permissions you intend. Finally, test your application by signing in with different user accounts and verifying that each user can only access the rows allowed by your policies. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up row-level security in Supabase. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.